The review on the Husqvarna Rancher 450, plastic everywhere. Have to buy special fuel for it. It's already fired up once. Accidentally discarded the video. I'm gonna see if it'll pull up like this. See if it'll start up. Started up surprisingly well. Better than my old chainsaw does. You know, it's like that. We can do a cut test real quick. I'm gonna cut here. I'll mark it, then I'll show you. I might have to check to see if you guys can see, because you're sitting on a piece of wood. I'll bring you guys back some more, maybe. There you go. Now you can see. Do a cut test. It's just stupid things like that chainsaws do. It's irritating. Why would it just cut off on me? No reason. No. Just from it being a Husqvarna. That's why. See, now it's not gonna run. See, I'm about to choke it. What's happening with it, you guys? Well, it's got itself in there. This is overkill. That's hot. That is overkill. I just threw you guys in the mud. It's completely overkill because it bites and then it just pulls. You know, it's weird like that. I'm cutting at an angle. I'm not a wood guy. You know, this is my review on the Husqvarna Rancher 450. Personally, I think it's made out of plastic. And I wouldn't advise you to buy it if you do like small stuff like cut up this big old wood pile. But if you were a real rancher, I'd go out and buy a Farm Boss or something big, not little. Any complaints? Plastic. That's my one complaint. Any otherwise, this saw is tough and it's mean and it's a fight machine. Right, that's my little Husqvarna review on the chainsaw. I'm over now.